At Google, we've always believed that making technology for everyone means protecting everyone who uses it. In 2020, we worked hard to protect users and support our business partners. We've made it easier to control your privacy on the Google Assistant. Hey Google, that wasn't for you.
Sorry, I'm deleting what I heard. It should be gone in a few seconds.
We never sell your data to anyone, and we helped users stay even more in control with improvements to Privacy Checkup and more intuitive privacy and security controls in Chrome. We updated About This Ad and launched advertiser verification, so users are informed about what ads they see and why. We introduced Auto Delete by default, making it even easier for users to manage their account and delete their data. For marketers and publishers, we launched 2 playbooks to help navigate the privacy landscape. Advertisers can now take more control of their Google Analytics privacy settings, including turning off personalization. And we're providing privacy-first ways for advertisers to measure the performance of their online ads. In Chrome, we're working across the ecosystem to develop more private solutions to sustain a healthy ad-supported web. In August, we integrated our ads products with IAB Europe's Transparency and Consent Framework to help everyone with privacy regulations. We will continue finding ways to keep users' private information safe and secure. So thank you for your partnership and for helping us make sure the internet works for everyone.